Okay, in the skilled trades, what do you think of apprentices? All right, and while she's thinking, please be sure to subscribe and like. I'm going to have a nice long video coming out shortly. So, subscribe and like.
Apprentices, those wide-eyed newbies who think they're the future of the trade. Bless their clueless hearts. Most of them show up late, can't tell a wrench from a pliers, and fall for every prank in the book. Duck stretchers, muffler bearings, yeah, they're buying all that nonsense. And don't even get me started on how half of them can't take a little ribbing without running home to mommy. You want to survive, kid? Better toughen up real quick, or you'll be out faster than you can spell apprentice.